Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Fatemeh seyedrazi, and today I'm going to show you what the primary colors are, how do we get from them to other colors, what is the right way to get neutral colors, and how to shade. Before starting, if you still didn't subscribe to my channel and you like contents about watercolor paintings, do it now with the button below. Okay, let's start. First, we need a palette that gives us the colors we need. 48 color palettes can be a good choice. All the colors we use are derived from primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. The result of mixing primary colors in equal amounts is secondary colors: green, purple, and orange. And from their unequal mixture, tertiary colors are obtained. This color theory is called Eaton's color wheel. In Eaton's theory, which I explained earlier, there was no explanation for making natural colors. Natural colors are muted shades that appear to lack color, but often have underlying hues that change with different lighting. These colors are obtained by mixing complementary colors. Complementary colors are colors that are located in opposite sides of each other on the Eaton's wheel. For example, let's look at the primary colors: red, yellow, and blue, and mix them with complementary colors, which comes in three natural colors. But how much of each color is needed to reach these three colors? Colors have different luminosities than each other. For example, if you want to get a neutral color from the mixture of green and red, you have to mix each one in a ratio of 1:1, because the luminosity of green and red are equal. But to get a neutral color from yellow and purple, this ratio changes to 3:1, because the luminosity of yellow is 3 times more than purple. And for orange and blue, this ratio changes to 1:2, because the luminosity of orange is twice as blue. A tip: one of the neutral colors that I think is very useful is the result of mixture of blue and brown, because brown is from the orange family and can be used instead. This is my personal opinion and it may be different for you, so try other colors to get the color you like. Is it right to darken colors with black and lighten colors with white? In most cases, the answer is no, because black makes colors dirty and white makes colors opaque. You may ask, what role do these colors play in watercolor? In fact, black is used for very dark spots, and white is used to create effects like fog. So what should we do to create lighter colors, darker colors, and shading? Neutral colors are the best way to make your colors darker and shading. And to make your colors lighter, you should use more water with your color. Okay, this was today's tutorial on colors and how to mix them. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Just if this video was helpful to you, please like it, and if you like this type of videos, please subscribe to my channel for more contents. Thank you for your support and goodbye till next video.